Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Create a solid color layer. And make it white. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Convert to Smart Object. Select halftone pattern. Select circle as the pattern type. You can copy the settings I used. Make the blending mode vivid light. Select the text layer. Go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Convert to Smart Object. I use a radius of 5 pixels. Double-click on the Filter Gallery layer if you want to adjust the thickness of the lines. And that's how you create this text effect.